text to video, image to video, video generation from keyframes, and video to video, all involve combining various inputs such as prompts, reference images, and reference videos to generate the final output. There is another workflow that is both different and very practical: driving lip sync via audio. By inputting audio as a condition, you can make the character in an image or video perform highly accurate lip movements as if it is truly speaking. Common solutions for this include Sonic, Humo, OV, Latency, Infinite Talk, among others, each with its own advantages. Personally, I prefer to use Infinite Talk, as it can generate videos of virtually infinite length. The following demonstration will be based on Infinite Talk. Loading the workflow. Unlike previous demonstrations, this workflow contains non-native ComfyUI nodes. The core nodes are provided by a plugin called Wan Video Wrapper, which must be installed through the manager. The model loading section is also quite different. Here, the Infinite Talk single model is loaded, along with Wan 2.1's i2v14b 480p Q6K model. To reduce VRM usage and speed up the process, settings such as block swap and torch compile settings are enabled. The Clip Vision model and VAE remain Clip Vision H and Wan 2.1 VAE respectively. Upload a frontal image of the character. The effectiveness of the lip sync is closely related to how much of the face occupies the frame. The larger the proportion, the better the results generally are. Audio processing is critical in this workflow. You'll need to upload the audio and perform vocal separation. Then, by using nodes, extract alignment data via Wave2Vec to generate instructions for lip movement. This workflow also supports parallel or serial processing of multiple audio inputs, but we won't go into that in detail here. Compared to the native process, the sampling section provided by Wan Video Wrapper is a bit more complex, though most settings can be left at their defaults. Prompts are of minor importance here. You only need to focus on two key settings. First are frame window size and motion frame overlap. These are crucial for generating infinitely long videos. If your total frame count exceeds a single window's capacity, the node will split the process into multiple windows, with frames injected between window endpoints based on the overlap setting. Note: the window size value should always be a multiple of 4 plus 1, for example 33 or 77 are ideal. The overlap frame number can be kept at 9 or set higher, such as 25, for greater smoothness. However, increasing this value will also extend generation time. Setting it below 9 is not recommended, as it often results in noticeable choppiness. The second one to pay attention to is Start Step. This option is at the bottom of the sampling node and controls which step to start sampling from. For image to video generation, keep it at 0. For video input, you must increase it to 2 or 3 to maintain consistency between generated movements and the input video actions. Click Run. After patiently waiting about 10 minutes, you'll receive a video like this.
Back then I was broke but happy. Now I'm just broke and miserable.
The lip sync is precise, the movements are natural, the overall effect is excellent. At the end of the video, the input audio has already finished, but, due to the window settings, the video still has remaining frames to process. The character continues to move even after stopping speaking and ultimately returns to the pose of the input image, ending with a heart gesture. Infinite Talk supports long videos for single characters, multi-person video, and even multi-person multi-turn dialogue videos. It is extremely useful for creating talking head videos or short scripted video segments.